Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel, Real Estate. I, of course, am Brett Boholij, your Okanagan real estate professional. I'm back today with another beautiful walkthrough tour. But before we get started, if you're new to my channel, welcome. A little about myself. I'm a real estate agent here in Kelowna, and I help people buy and sell properties in our beautiful area. So whether you're upsizing, downsizing, investing, or relocating, I'm happy to help you out. And whether or not you're new or returning, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you can stay up to date with everything real estate related here in the Okanagan. My goal here to provide you with some value-driven content and to showcase the beautiful homes in our valley. So like I said, I'm back with another walkthrough tour, this time in the Black Mountain community of Kelowna, British Columbia. I'm here at another brand new build by the multi-award winning Carrington Homes with over 50 years of building experience. So now a little bit about the Black Mountain area. It's situated just above Rutland and is known for its family-friendly neighborhoods, its new builds, its affordable housing, and its close access to amenities. It has great access to school like the Black Mountain Elementary. It's a quick, easy jaunt just up the hill to the world famous Big White Ski Resort. It's got easy access to the airport and of course quick access to all of the amenities that Rutland offers, from its shopping, its great restaurants, and its community centers. But I'm excited to get you through this home, so without further ado, let's go check it out.
All right, we are taking a look at 1149 Lone Pine Drive, again in that brand new Lone Pine Estates development in the Black Mountain community of Kelowna, British Columbia. We are looking at the Davis W floor plan that has 4 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, 3,043 square feet of livable area. It is a walk-up home with a double attached garage, and it is currently being offered at $1,289,900. Couple notable features about this home. For one, there's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath suite with its own private entrance and own in-suite laundry. There is a den up the front entry with a half bathroom, a family room on the ground level, a spacious main floor with a grand great room, dining area, and L-shaped kitchen with a central island and large pantry. There's also access to the covered deck from the great room or the master bedroom, and a huge 5-piece ensuite with walk-in shower up the primary bedroom. This truly is a spectacular home, so I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm going to leave you to watch the rest of the video walkthrough.
So guys, that's going to wrap up my virtual tour of 1149 Lone Pines Drive in the brand new Lone Pine development in Black Mountain by Carrington Homes. If you want any more information on this place, you have any questions, or you want to book your own private tour, all my contact information is listed down below and it's up on the screen right now, so don't hesitate to reach out to me. Again, if you want to see more properties like this and you want to stay up to date with everything real estate related for the Okanagan, make sure you subscribe to my channel. And if you or anybody you know is looking to buy or sell real estate in the Okanagan, I'm more than happy to help you out, and I'm never too busy for your referrals. My goal, as always, is to simplify the real estate process so you don't have to worry about anything. That's going to be it for my video today. My name is Brett Boholij. This is my channel, Brett B Real Estate, and I will catch you in the next video.